How to use Gemini AI for research. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use Gemini AI for research. Now AI on Google search can assist with the research, so the deep research feature is available with a paid subscription serves as a comprehensive research assistant aiding from planning through the report generation as well. So basically what you need is clearly state the research objectives such as finding keyword and analyzing data or drafting a literature review as well. But before that, you need to have Gemini installed to your device, or you could use the browser version of it and log in with your existing Google account. Next, you just need to go ahead and tap on the search bar, and you need to treat AI on Google search as a highly capable yet literal-minded research assistant. You could use details and structured prompt that includes a specific person, senior academic researcher, task content, and output as well. After which you could also review the output and use follow-up prompt to refine the results. This process helps steer the AI towards a desired outcome as well. After which you could also validate and verify, that is always cross-check and validate the output with a reliable external data and sources, as AI on Google search may produce plausible but factual incorrect information as well. So you need to cross check that as well, and that way you could use Gemini AI for research. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.